Good morning guys! Today is another vlog and magpe-prepare ako ng breakfast ng anak ko at fruits, snacks ng asawa ko. So meron ako ditong pear, kiwi, plum, chicken breast, cucumber at orange, tangerine.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed, the glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Ito na yung fruits ni Alice for snacks. Isang pear. Ito yung fruits ni Max. Ito yung watermelon sa akin. At saka yun, kiwi, orange, and cucumber. Yeah. So good morning. Prepare na yung hubby ko ng breakfast niya. I will prepare the dates now. Okay? Ito pala dates from Palestine, guys. This is my husband's favorite. Yan lang breakfast niya, oats. So, ito guys, yung dates. Ang sarap nito, it's very yummy ito guys, sweet. Remember, there was a lot of dates in supermarket. Dates during Ramadan. And I think some resellers, they repack it and sold it in more expensive. Because Grand Lucky, they are selling like a wholesaler for this thing. This is a lot. Almost full your jar here. For 300. The other one was 165, was very little.
Big?
Yeah, very big. Guys. Say good morning.
Morning. Ski na! Ski! You're doing nothing.
April 10. 9. It's your grandma's birthday today. You have to send her flowers? Where are they? How's the chicken? Good. Where are they? Are they on holiday? Oh. Who did your teeth yesterday? Who fixed your teeth?
Some of the nurses.
Only the nurses?
And also this one.
The Dr. Ivan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Goed weer.
And there was no dogs.
Yeah, the dogs was maybe in the house. Enjoy your school, Alice. Bye, love you. Have a great day at school.